You know, naka-video ako. Look guys, so ayan yung mga, ayan yung aso guys, so ayan yung aso.
Hello!
Look oh, may isa pa doon, no?
Gusto niya sumayaw.
Oo nga, no? Ipasayaw mo nga yan.
Magtuktik
Pero
yan.
nga, nakatayo.
Kanta! Hindi, fighting.
At magpatutulutin natin. Hawakan mo natin yun. Hindi mo na let yan.
Uy.
Let yan.
Wala pa sa ipin. Diba?
Wala pa.
Oo, paglaki nila may ipin.
Oops. Naku.
Gwen!
Oops.
Wala, nasa...
Hello.
Patutulogin yan.
Hi, Blackie.
Lagay mo na dyan. Lagay mo na. Patutulogin yan.
Aww. Cute.
Ano na ka patutulog? Yan mo dyan.
Ano mo guys, so...
Tabi niya dito. Punasan mo na.
Ano mo guys, so ang cute. Ang cute.
Yan, pijama tigol na. Yan.
Ano?
Yan.
Ayoko na.
Ayaw ko rin. Ayaw ko na rin. Ayaw ko na. Busog na ako eh. No.
Hawakan mo kasi.
Ano? Ano, yan pala yung mga aso. Ayan pila sila, no? Nakaano sila. So, ano sila?
Hawakan mo. Hindi naman mga agad yan. Maliit-liit pa yan.
So, cute. Ayan dyan sila. Ngayon yung aso. Ready. Nakaano.
Diaper yan. Ayun. Diaper mo.
Ayun pala yung diaper nila. Look guys, so yun ang ginagawa nila guys, so nag-ano sila, magka-close, ano sila, nagsiksikan, ay hindi pala, nag-ano sila, medyo ano, lumapit sila, nagsilapit sila eh, no, pero hindi yung aso. Ito yung mga aso guys, so yung mga puppies. Oh, ang cute. Hello. Sorry if, mayroon pala ako reminders sa inyo guys. Sorry if, pasensya na pa, sorry if I haven't been uploading for like, so naka-upload diba? Naka-upload na ako ng video sa May 8. Sorry for not, 16. Sorry for not uploading for like 16 days. Kasi because sorry if I haven't been uploading videos for like 16 days. Sorry if I'm not posting. Sorry if I was posting on like 16 days.
Sige, fighting kayo.
Kaya nga, fight pa more. Away pa more. Joke. Sorry if I haven't been uploading 16 days. Sorry if I haven't been uploading. I haven't uploaded in 16 days. So, because I was on to Kukiran. I was on to CRK. And so, so I haven't made Dandy's World videos yet. And then some other videos with fandoms. So yes, and so I stopped posting. It's been a while since. So please don't try to force me to make more Dandy's World videos, because I know, right? Dandy's World is kind of boring. It's kind of boring right now. So, but don't worry, I'm still in the fandom. Dandy's DW. Yes. So, also, not just that, I was on to CRK on Kukiran Kingdom. So, let's continue the video. So, yan pala yung mga, dahil cute to. Cute, diba? So, hello. Hello, doggies. How are you, mga doggies? So, alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe to my video. And bye. Vamos, bye-bye na, guys. Okay, see you sa susunod na video.